good, YouTube? It's Liam from Sneaker Clinic, and today I'm gonna actually do a cool unboxing for you guys. A sexy unboxing! Jordan Winterized 6 rings. It's brown, and I'm not gonna tell you the color code because you guys can just check it out online. I am opening the box, grabbing the freaking shoe out right now as we speak. Not caring about the paper because this shoe is going straight to beach. Almost cut my Adam's apple. Check it out, ba-bam. Put this here, 360 for you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh la la. This is cool. This is cool. Oh, I'm gonna do the YouTube thumbnail at the same time mocking other people that do it. Shock face. Happy face. Okay, that crap. Yeah, if you guys are not familiar, Jordan 6 rings actually have a mashup like mashed potatoes. That's why this is freaking brown color. Doesn't make sense. Of 6 iconic Air Jordan shoes. Jordan 6, 7, 8, and then Jordan 11, 12, and 13. Actually, I like all of those shoes. Here we go. Here we freaking go. The butt shot spoiler, Air Jordan 6 right there. You guys should already know if you're a fan of Jordan shoes. Jordan 6 right there. The Jordan logo, that looks like it's laser etched. The front there. Sorry, the hair just flopped in the front. And I noticed that if you flap it open, like pulling someone's shirt up, it's got some nice feeling suede. It's actually pretty thick. This entire upper is actually suede, nice and sexy, suede. I'm going to sign my freaking name because it's just nice to see the nap going back and forth as your finger is stroking it. That sounds wrong. I'm not going to apologize. Air Jordan, 6 right there. Air Jordan 7 is supposed to be the inner booty. But I don't see any inner booty in here. So I think they removed it for this purpose because this is not actually the sort of 6. This is not the 6 rings. This is actually the Winterized 6 rings. They don't even have the Air Jordan 8 ankle straps right there, but they do have the Air Jordan 8 circular tongue patch. It is not carpety because we're not riding this shoe like Aladdin. We don't need a magic carpet. We don't need fuzziness when it's meant to be freaking raining and snowy, right? You don't want to have dirty on the carpet. Air Jordan 11. Yeah, you guys should know. Air Jordan 11 right there. The upper. Check that out. And of course, actually this feels very tough. Tough mesh material. They say that the entire shoe is weatherized, whether or not. It don't matter. This shoe better be waterproof because they got this little tag that says water shield. I'm going to read what it says in there. Water shield, a thin, lightweight lining infused with water repellent PU resin for waterproof all-weather protection. The shoes are waterproof in up to 2 inches of water. I actually don't know what that means. Maybe you're stepping in a puddle of water, 2 inches, and if it goes higher, it's not going to be waterproof anymore because it's hitting the suede. But that doesn't make sense because they said that the whole shoe is actually weatherproof. Winterized. So anyways, I'm gonna test it. It is cold. It is freaking rainy outside. The city that I'm living in, so this is perfect for me. And let's continue. Air Jordan 12. The tongue 2, 3. You can't miss that. And of course, Air Jordan 12. The top eyelets. They have 2 supposed to be metal, but now the retros are using cheap plastic. And yeah, this is where that detailing comes from. That is really sick. I'm glad that it's actually metal. You can look from the inside. Look at that. Oh yeah, punched right through the upper. And of course, Air Jordan 13. You guys, if you can't see it, you're a dumb. Air Jordan 13 pods right there. The midsole, the outsole. All right. The bottom there, bam! You don't even need herringbone traction. Because if you have herringbone traction and you're stepping on freaking cold surfaces, slippery, icy surfaces outside, you can slip. You can hurt your bum. Then you're going to tell me like, hey, you know what, Leon, buying these shoes was a dumb. No, they decided to beef it up, kind of like a crazy car tire design. The tread is thick. Yeah, we like it thick. Aside from that, they do have cool, kind of like rocky kind of 3D texture, which is kind of neat. They don't have the real carbon fiber. It's just plastic. I don't know why. Maybe they realize that, hey, you know what? You're not playing ball, so you don't need that carbon fiber. We need to make it heavier, so let's add plastic. That is where the Air Jordan 13 hologram bubble is supposed to be, but in they replaced it with the red patch. Whatever. I don't know if it's a patch. It's a circle with a freaking Jordan on it. Laces, they look like this just because they want to make it more like a kind of boot kind of look. Let me raise my glasses. I don't know why. Let me take the expensive shoe tree out. Huh. Oh yeah, smell test. Smells like new materials. Doesn't smell like glue. Smells like, it's actually a light kind of smell. I'm surprised. Oh, I almost missed one thing. Air Jordan 13, the upper leather panels, lateral side and the medial side, they do have the triple stitching. So this shoe right here, you can see triple stitching. Air Jordan 11. You know how they have the patent leather all around there? So this is why they have that there. Oh my god, this is crazy. I don't know what else to say, guys. I can't wait to wear the oh my god. I can't wait to wear the shoes because yeah, like this is meant to be worn. All you hype beasts and resellers are like, Leon, you're an idiot for doing a video for this particular shoe. You're not gonna get views. But you know what? I don't care. I just wanna buy what I like. F the hype. This is not this is not meant for resale. This is meant to be on feet. And yeah, I picked it up in the outlets with extra discount. I'm actually happier because don't ever double up. You double up, you're an idiot. No, I'm gonna return this because I'm gonna refund this because I bought this earlier thinking that it's gonna sell out. But 3 weeks later, I'm like, hey, I'm curious. Let's check the Nike outlets and see if they still have the shoes. And yes, they do. They further discounted and extra discount on top of that. So I'm gonna keep the cheaper pair, and it's very comfortable, but it is heavy. Keep that in mind if you do want to pick this up. The insole. Woo! It is thick, and it's got the heel Zoom Air. Oh my god, I was actually surprised that it actually has Zoom Air right there. I would think that they would embed the air units in there, just like the Jordan 6 rings. They have, I think they have Zoom heel and Zoom forefoot. Did you guys know? No, you didn't know? Michael Jordan, 2 times 3-peat. Oh my god, you guys just, you kids. The right side, no, let's go to the left side. Left side of the shoe, flap the tongue over. The patch there, the years, all right, that's the first time Jordan did the 3-peat. And then the second run was 96, 97, 98. Ba-bam! That is just sexy, sexy, cool. And that's also why they freaking use those particular 6 Jordan shoes, okay, to mix this up into this sexy beast. Wow! I don't know why I just said that. I'm sorry. But yeah, like, why did I pick this up? I don't have a Nike Jordan branded winterized boot or shoe. Number 2, I don't have a winterized or weatherized boot. That's Nike or Jordan. The more I'm holding on to these shoes, the more I actually want to keep the other pair. If I keep both pairs of Air Jordan 6 rings winterized, it's gonna make me unique because no one else would do such a stupid thing, right? Oh, another cool fact before we wrap this video up. The 6 rings originally released 2008, and this one, believe it or not, this winterized edition came out 10 years ago. Actually, yeah, almost more than 10 years ago, believe it or not. They have a black color, but because they didn't have black, the outlets, they only have this color. I don't care if it looks like a poo-poo boot. It works for me though. Are we good? No? Yeah, it's not like I pay you by the freaking hour, guys. What's that? Huh. No, I didn't say anything. I don't got time to say anything. Oh my god. Look, man, we've been wasting a lot of time right now, guys. You have freaking 10 people, audio, producer, director, filmer guy, whatever your name is. You got extras running around for food for you guys. Can we just get this started? I just want to do the freaking boxing. YouTube doesn't have time to wait. Who cares about freaking quality, audio, video, whatever? It's all about the person, right? Yeah. It's all about the person. I mean, yeah, visuals, audio is important too. Yeah, just give me a sign when you're good. Okay. Losers. Testing your freaking audio right now. Oh, I didn't know it was plugged in. Jordan Winterized 6 rings. Yes. Okay, I think I'm ready. Hey, you don't got a mask. Better wear a freaking mask before I kick your ass. Hey, you always looking dumb. Better slow it down, baby. Better have some fun. What is good, YouTube? Welcome to our channel. This is Leon. And yes, this is freaking Sneaker Clinic. Today, we got an unboxing for you guys. Oh, sorry. Can you cut that off now? Okay, cool. Got a sexy unboxing for you guys. Jordan Winterized 6 rings. This is the 10 colorway. Go check out the freaking tag. Size 12. Orange tag, and of course I got an extra discount because Nike outlet pickup Asian, when we go there we work together. Before we get started with this, I'm sorry YouTube, they told me to say this, check out our new creation. This is the Air Jordan 5 Bel Air, and what we got here is a mic plugged in directly to our film. Yeah, I was going to say attached directly to the film guy, but no, this is attached directly to the camera in front of me, the one that I'm looking at. If you steal this idea, it's all good because no one owns this anyways, but I think it's a good idea for you guys, to be honest with you. If you have a mic, getting mic, whatever kind of mic you're using, expensive mic, you guys can't keep swapping the look. But to this, I can clip it on any kind of shoe I want. And then there you go. It's a shoe mic stand. I'm sorry guys, this is not working out. Yeah. Because first of all, you in the back, you're telling me like, hey, I was nervous. Yeah, because you have freaking 10, 15, 20 people all looking at me. And you're all wearing masks. That particular guy is telling me I should picture you guys naked. That's freaking weird. Picturing you guys naked, wearing masks. Just, no, it's not working, and I can't get that out of my head. I want to do this myself. I don't give a damn about no freaking shoe mic, but it's actually a good idea. No, you guys, I have to let you go. I'm sorry, man. The door's there. Just let me know later. I'll send you a check, whatever. I want to do this myself. It's wasting time.